realme's upcoming laptop RealmeBook leaked online. Here's a first look. After joking about launching a MeowBook laptop back in April, realme CEO Madhav Sheth recently confirmed the launch of realme laptops in the coming days. Although the CEO only teased the upcoming laptop in his recent tweet today, the real-life images of the device have shown up online today. The leaked images have been posted online by Android Authority. They showcase a prototype laptop with the realme branding and also confirm the name of the upcoming laptop, RealmeBook. Dubbed the RealmeBook, the rumored realme laptop takes inspiration from Apple's MacBook design from the looks of it. Hence, it features a sleek aluminum build, thin bezels around the display, and stereo speakers on board. So, as you can see in the images above, the upcoming RealmeBook looks a lot like Apple's MacBook Air and comes in a greyish metallic finish. Moreover, the device is expected to run Windows instead of Chrome OS and might also feature a USB-C port for charging. As for the price of the device, there is no information available on that as of now. However, as we know that realme is aiming to compete with its arch-rival Xiaomi's Mi Notebook, we can expect the device to be priced below the Rs 50,000 mark. RealmePad. Now, apart from the RealmeBook laptop, we also have an image that gives us a glimpse of a realme tablet. Reportedly called the RealmePad, the device is slated to launch alongside the RealmeBook at an upcoming event. However, not much info regarding the RealmePad is available at the moment. Coming to the launch date, the company is expected to launch the RealmeBook laptop and RealmePad tablet at its Realme GT 5G launch event, which is scheduled for June 15. In fact, as per Android Authority, the above images were taken in the Realme GT 5G launch facility. So yeah, gear up for yet another category of products from the house of Realme.